Just on site here at Kyleville, the final touches for a bathroom renovation project, which has gone on for about over a month now. So here we've got the ensuite bathroom, fully done with nice vanities there, his and hers vanity. Nice toilet there, frameless shower screen, nicely tiled from floor to ceiling. Now we'll head over here, have a look at the powder room or bathroom, just toilet. Here again, floor to ceiling feature wall, and here's the main bathroom right here, again double vanity. So the Clean Plumber here has done all the tiling, waterproofing, electricals, plumbing obviously. Nice quality finish. And Steve, how's the experience been with the Clean Plumber?
Mate, these guys have been awesome. Highly recommend them. They've done a great job, live up to their name, very clean, very honest, very reliable, and yeah, mate, if you need anyone, Clean Plumber, that's the one.
Beautiful, thank you.